Especially in a predominantly Christian society, it is quite hypocritical of them to pretend that we don't know that they're jealous bitches. Presentation bitches, right? Lucifer, the handsome angel. You motherfuckers are concerned with presentation. And I'm slapping you around every day with 4Gs. And watch them turn up their obnoxious remarks after the challenge is over, December 20th. 5 years fucking later. Plus, man, these motherfuckers is bitches, man. They acting like bitches. They hiding from my challenge like bitches. And in ancient combat, they pose no more of a threat to me on the battlefield than an itty bitty little Girl Scout little bitch. So come on now, accept my challenge. Quit acting like little bitches. Quit. Make a motherfucker want it, But like I said, accept my challenge. And when these pussies hid the whole time, remember, they knew I'm better. Just little bitches, they knew I'm better. You think I'm not as good as I say, then I am. Accept my challenge. Find somebody. You have martial artists gang stalking me from all the most famous places around here. And I've already proven that I have video, recording, video evidence. You bitch ass niggas, man. You niggas acting like hoes. Prank calling a nigga and shit like a little old bitch, nigga. On my nuts like an ex-girlfriend or something. Like a little old bitch, nigga. Niggas is hoes out here, boy. I tell you, nigga, in America, you find witty, heroes, and then you have itty bitty, teeny weeny, pipsqueak heart having little bitches. You understand me? You understand me? It's like what would have happened if David stepped to Goliath without God on his side, and Goliath was on, God was on Goliath's side. They know that's what the fuck would happen. You bitch ass niggas, you know what I'm saying? Man, these hoe ass niggas too, man. The routes they be taking. It's like, look, man, I'm going to make this clear. I'm going to play you out like pipsqueak mini-me bitches. I'm going to play out the white people as Ichabod Cranes, as Fat Alberts, as Eberts. If you keep playing this presentation bitch game, I'm going to have to pull your fucking cards. I'm going to have to pull them definitively. And I'm going to have to pull house nigga cards too. It's just how it is. You got to admit that I'm the fucking best. There's no way around it. And I've been pulling your cards for 5 fucking years. No way anyone's going to see it your way. Even the people who will take your side, make no mistake, they don't see it your way. They know you're the pussies hiding from my fucking challenge. Gang stalking me and drugging me instead. Shit, and just, fuck your opinion. I'm the fucking top martial artist until you fucking beat me. So help me God on ancestors. Fuck your opinion. It's for the same reason, the Satanists and Lucifer didn't accept God. It's that jealousy. You've got to accept the blessings and God's presence and quit being an idiot, It's why they want to divide my clothes, which can be the symbols of your rank, your clothes, what you're adorned with.